Doing yard work. I just finished cutting that up. Now I gotta get to that one. It's kind of big. Alright, I'm about to get started and start cutting this down so it can look like that. And I've been using these loopers. Yep, I've been using the good old loopers. So I'm gonna get back to it. I'll see y'all when I get done. Getting her all done. Almost got it. I had to use the chainsaw for this because it's thick. It's too thick for my loopers, as y'all can see. So, gotta finish the rest off with the chainsaw. Then I'll be done. The bag. That bag is almost full. All right, see y'all when I get done. All right. All right, I am in the backyard continuing to do some cutting. I have to cut these, I don't know if you call these little stems, or she wants these cut. So I'm about to go ahead and do that. Then after I do that, I have to weed and feed. She wants me to weed and feed. Let me show y'all the weed and feed. There we go. Scott's Turf Builder. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dump this Scott into this weed feeder. I'm gonna dump it in there, then I'm gonna go around the yard and spread it out. That's what I'm doing back here. I'm gonna put the weed feed all over the yard, all over the square inches, everywhere. I'm gonna put that down. That is to fight the weeds that people have in their yard. So I'm gonna do that and cut that up over there. Then I'm done. I will show y'all a finished video when I'm through, because I used a chainsaw and I got rid of that bush over there that I was cutting. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. So y'all stay tuned. This is your boy James TV, and I'll be back with a finished video. Hard work, y'all, but it's easy. Easy. All right, starting to weed and feed. What's up, people? What's going on? This is your boy James TV, and this is a finished video. Yeah, I'm sweating. Did about 3 hours, 4 hours of work, cutting down that bush. She had 2 bushes, and I cut those down with my looper. Yes, I used a good old looper. Then after I used the looper, I used the chainsaw. So I'm gonna go and show y'all what it looks like after I cut down those bushes. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe down below, and make sure you turn on your notifications so that you know that whenever I post a video, you will be notified and you will know. Check this out. This is Scott's Turf Builder. Yeah, she used 2 bags. And 2 bags pretty much cover, the whole yard back there. But yeah, I'm done back there. I'm about to show y'all the front, show y'all what it looks like. Here we go. Oh, that looks pretty. That looks so pretty. Wow.
right now. That's all right.
Wow, you are a workaholic.
And I've always come out here. You are coming in at some point.
Look at that, y'all. It is cut down. Look at that. All the way to the ground. You can't even see it no more. Man, this had 2 bushes. It is gone. And those are the bags over there.
Whew. We have muscles.
Yep. Let's see how many bags we got. We got I bagged about 3 bags. Yep, 3 of these bags, y'all. Yeah, actually 4 bags. 3.5 bags. 3.5 bags. Well, that's it. Took me about 3 hours, 4 hours. So I'm done here at this property. And I'm about to wrap it up. I appreciate y'all for watching. Stay tuned. I will have another video pretty soon. This is your boy James TV, and this is lawn care as a side hustle. You know, it doesn't take much work. You do have to have the tools in order to do the job. Once you have the tools, it's easy. You don't need to do nothing. You let the tools do the work for you. So that's it. And you know, she had everything herself. All right, I'll catch y'all later. Be safe, be divine, and keep getting that money. Later.